next question. So what about innovation?
Okay, so we do some of your products, if you don't mind saying, Conlook.
Yeah.
We've got that in our new workshop. Again, threadless conduit.
Mm-hmm.
Brilliant piece of equipment there.
Thank you.
On that one, you've got the rapid saddles.
Yep.
So that right as well.
Yep.
Again, great for our workshop because we're not losing so many screws
Yep.
from the students as well, and quicker. And I like how you can then put it on the wall, and then you can drop the hangers down, and then you can drop your conduit on, hang your conduit on, and then drop it on. So we definitely want those sort of new products, because I'm not on the shop floor no more. I'm not in industry fitting those products.
Yeah.
So I need the manufacturers of those products to get them into the college, so they can demonstrate them to the electricians that I'm hopefully training. Because the worst case scenario would be someone going, well, we don't use that on site, we use this, and I don't know that product.
See, that's quite interesting to me, because the biggest kickback we've had, certainly on products like Conlock, is that you're removing the skill from the job.
Yes, threading, but you still got to bend it. You still got to, that's the skill in there. I'm not, before I get any hate on saying threading's not a skill. It is a skill, of course it is on there. But we'll go back to costs, and obviously installers need to install their equipment, efficiently and quickly.
Yeah.
So if there's a product there that speeds that process up, then I'm all for it.
Okay.
No, I'm not against it. I still going to teach my students how to put a thread on conduit.
Yeah.
I don't want that to ever change.
No.
But I still want to show them Conlock as well, to show the pros, and it's up to them to make a decision.
And the reality is, if you're in a real world situation, you might be coming across an already installed threaded system.
Exactly.
And you've got to adapt it.
You've got to add to it. You can't add Conlock to it.
Yeah.
In a way. Do you know what I mean? You've got to adapt it.
So you're all for innovation then?
Yeah, perfect. I love new products, new materials, new tools. Please.
Kid in a sweet shop.
Please send them my way, because I love to demonstrate them to the learners, and I love getting the manufacturers to come and show their products to the learners, because they're going to be using them. Hopefully I'm not going to be using them in the industry no more. Hopefully I'm just teaching.
Well, we were saying before with me about how, like, we're both sat here with a pen and paper.
Yeah, I've never thought that.
No, and Tom, who's sitting behind the camera, is going to hate me for saying this, but he all his to-do lists are on computer.
Yeah.
So it's, and I appreciate what people are saying about you're taking the skill out of the job, because arguably with what I've just said there about pen and paper, you're losing the writing ability.
Yeah.
But is that just, it's okay, it might be a bit sad, but is that just natural progression?
I think we might be pen and paper, yes.
Because we're not the most innovative of industries, I don't think.
No, circuits, how they're wired, generally never change.
Yeah.
How we install our cables won't change dramatically. Realistically, Conlock has a little bit, but trunking, unless you could, if you go to trunking, I don't think you can join two trunking without bolting it together.
Not that I know of.
Not I know of just yet. You know.
Apologies to any manufacturers.
Yeah, exactly. If they are, send them my way for it. But generally, obviously, the quicker installs, and that's what the UPS is. Quicker installs is there on there. Well, yeah, I think with IT and digital skills, I think that's a natural progression for students. Right. I don't see it as a bad thing. I still think pen and paper is still key. A lot of times you might do a material list on site using pen and paper. Yeah. You might then transfer it onto an Excel spreadsheet. Yeah. Or whatever apps lots of apps you can buy now to do it all for you as well. Again, pricing, you might do that on pen and paper and then send a quote digitally. Yeah. Yeah. So I think they're still needed. Okay. But yeah, I still think IT skill does have a big role.